Alrighty guys, if you've been keeping up with the vlog videos, you know we built a tree for the play James and the Giant Peach. After the tree was done with that play, it was going to have a new life in the play Alice in Wonderland. Well, the lady who's going to do Alice in Wonderland was helping with the play James and the Giant Peach and decided she wanted a bigger, bolder tree. And that's what we're working on. Maybe you saw the video we released tonight that got us kind of up to speed with what we're doing. If you haven't, let's remind you and kind of let you know. We brought the tree up about 18 inches on the bottom, which brings our knot hole up to the correct height, because the little boy's going to look through this during the play Alice in Wonderland. We cut this board out. Well, Mama cut this board out, make it circle to actually act as the front of the tree. We added the holes here that are going to go over our supports here and hold the shape of the tree. And what we're going to do tonight is, first of all, I'm going to take a clamp and just clamp this up here to hold that at the right height.
Make it level.
Yeah, to make it nice and level. We're going to take our Power Pro screws. We're going to drill through here, which will support our panel up here, our support up here. And I'm going to do that in all 4 pipes. And then once that's done, we're going to add some 5-minute epoxy into this, which we found out last time when we built the tree, that it stiffens the tree up and keeps it from being quite so rocky. So what we're going to do is go ahead and get started with that. We'll film a little bit so you can kind of catch the action. But right now, we're going to break away and get set up. Y'all come back and catch us later.
I'll epoxy that.
Alrighty guys, if you've been keeping up with the vlog video, you know that we built a tree for James and the Giant Peach. The play James and the Giant Peach, don't we? Alrighty guys, if you've been keeping up with the vlog videos, you know we built a tree for the play. Okay.